Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today here I have the KTM Duke 990, and it's a 2024 model. It's a very good looking bike, I'll say. The headlight got updated this year or last year. I think it was updated last year on 1390, and the rest of the model got it like this year. Let me do a startup for this bike. Yeah, for a parallel twin it doesn't sound that bad. Yeah, nah, this sounds good. And it's got a Bridgestone Parallax S22 tire, front and rear. So I think the tire size is 180 on the rear, so it's a perfect size for these kind of bikes. Yeah, it wants to lean. Does wants to lean. Nice. So let's start with the dash. It's got lots of information, so the range, the fuel range, the temperature, obviously the speed, RPM, and today's date, 24th, and the lean angle as well. So it gives you the lean angle. So right now I'm in 16. Yeah, like it changes. It's a real-time lean angle display, so which is very good, and it's very nice and comfortable. Very upright position, I'd say, and handlebars are nice and wide. As far as the ergonomics goes, and yeah, this bike feels really light and nimble to ride. Even though it's 990, it does not feel like 990. It feels more like a 400cc. The flickability and the easiness of riding it, but it has got power of 990. I can say that, while overtaking and everything. So let's talk about the engine size and all the fun stuff. So engine wise, this is 990cc parallel twin engine, which got 170 bhp and 70 newton meter of torque, and I feel like this torque is quite enough for this bike. Look at this, man. This is uphill and it's pulling so nicely. I mean, you don't feel like you need more than this power while you're riding it. And it's got cruise control as well. So what more can you ask? And that's Swindon, guys. I'm on top of the hill, as you can see, and this is the fun of it as well. So on naked bike you can stand up straight and give your butt a bit of rest of that saddle time. And yeah, it's got lots of power, guys. It's got enough power. And on the suspension side, it's got WP Apex suspension, front and rear, and they feel great so far. So let's check 50 to 100 in third gear. How long does it take? Okay, so 1 2 3 go. Feels really powerful. It nearly tried to wheelie on third gear. I had to back off a little bit, but yeah, like this bike feels really nice. Obviously being naked, it's got lots of wind hitting my face. Like under low RPM, this bike is so smooth, guys. For a parallel twin, it's surprisingly smooth, I'd say. but as of now this bike performs really well. It handles the corner very nicely. The power is quite linear, I'll say, and yeah, the handling and suspension, everything feels ready to go. You can track this bike as it is. You don't need anything, I think, as far as tracking goes, unless you're a professional tracker. It's a different story. For me personally, I really like this bike and the Kawasaki's Z900. I would say looks wise, this bike looks much meaner, and it looks nice, I'd say, than Kawasaki Z900. But I want to try that bike as well. So if it is like around this engine size, yeah, my two options are either this one or the Kawasaki Z900. Yeah, but for the looks, I'll definitely have to give the point to this bike. I don't know, it just looks, for me it looks really nice, this new headlight and everything. I mean, I like the old one as well, but now this looks meaner, if you know what I mean. So compared to the old one, and it looks a bit beefier as well, like when you're looking at it. So this size is quite big. And for the Kawasaki, it's a quite nice and small bike. It's not that big, and even the seat height on Kawasaki is not that tall. So overall, I really like the bike. It's very nice and comfortable to ride, and yeah, so it's time to give the bike back to KTM where I got it from. And yeah, a last walk around video of this bike. Okay, so yeah, this rim exhaust and this beast looking bike. Boom.